Are you a soul who loves to travel to the mountains or to the beaches? I know, like me, so many of you must be missing going to the destinations which we had planned for so many months. Good morning, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post a video every week about how I follow a slow lifestyle with art and craft to make my life a cozy corner. As much I miss traveling to the mountains, sit there, soak in nature, paint the lovely views of the hills and the pines. But in past few months, or you can say years, I got to think, do I really need to go to the mountains or any other destination to paint onto my sketchbook? We are surrounded with so much of beauty around us. We just need to see it clearly. I read it somewhere. Enchanting in nature, creativity is a form of play. With the beautiful, boundless nature, it is accessible to everyone, and the more you connect with it, the more readily available it becomes. It is like a treasure hunt. The universe buries strange jewels deep within us all and then stands back to see if we find them. I'm trying to sketch the view in front of me and into my perspective. I think I have found my holiday destination at home or the place I stay for the time being because I love to go to the places I have listed. But to think of it, once I start feeling that I'm on a holiday, life becomes so relaxing. We start having so much of fun, and every day is a new day. Like today, on such a perfectly breezy day, I found my picture perfect. It's like finding and retrieving the treasure I was looking for, and I started painting whatever I see around me with my perspective. I have made my sketch. Let's paint it and fill it with the beautiful colors. I'm using wet on wet technique for the sky. Also, I make small swatches of colors at the corner to check the colors later on. The sky is pretty clear now, but I'm trying to make what I saw in the morning. It looked like it was about to rain. That color is so soothing, and I'm trying to put that into the sketch. The focus is on the water jar, which I had kept for the birds. Since it is quite close, there are tints and tones of the colors in it. The shades of half-filled jar, the reflection of the trees, and the shades of the jar itself. For the plants also I am using wet on wet technique. I have first filled with water and then I'm putting shades of green on it. I'll be putting another shade of green on top of this shade of green. This kind of sketching is known as urban sketching, and it's a kind of my signature art too, which I found out a year back. Before that, I tried so many things, but I stick on to it now. Just love doing this. It just happens. I don't plan this, and I just sat here for a while and I decided that I want to do this today. It is just so soothing and calming. It is like a meditation, painting meditation, and it heals me from all the worries. Finishing off with the clothes, which is hanging at somebody else's house. It's so funny that I saw that and I'm putting it into my painting. Last but not least, the droplets. I hope this video was as calming as it was for me, with the sounds of wind gushing, birds singing in the background. Do consider subscribing the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.